Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're playing Boonstar Defense 6. We're gonna continue the half cash mode, guys. Huh? Social seasons. Dr. Monkey needs you. No. I don't need this. I don't care. I got Super Monkey Storm. Okay, nice. Nice. That's how much medals I got, chat. How much bads did I buy? 5? Are you serious? Sheesh. Top heroes, top monkeys. Whee. Okay, let's continue. What's this? Oh, challenges. Trending. Hard gyms. I can create my own. What the? Okay, I'm gonna create my own later. Meanwhile, let's continue. Whoa! What the? I swear I saw something. Let me go back to home. This perks. Okay. Yeah, let's continue. Okay, let's continue, chat. We need we need alchemist, chat. We need alchemist. Alchemist. No. It's taking longer than I thought, bro. Yo, bro. Yes. Heaven. We close to Ninja and Oban. Dude, why you place it there? Okay, bro, I have enough. I'm gonna put it on top of Oban. Okay, there, chat. Okay. Should I get Monkey Village? Or do I upgrade Alchemist? What if I get Banana Farm? We need Binini Farm. We need Binini Farm. I'm gonna make I'm gonna try making a 3 2-0, or I'm gonna make a 4-2-0. Oh, I have enough for this. Sheesh. Dude, if they add a monkey banana Paragon, a banana farm Paragon, I'm gonna be like, no, came out of you. Mini farm, mini farm, mini acid full. Oh no, of you. I don't like it when this thingy comes into the other side. Right there. Please, thank you. I got 202 chat, and I got a 210. Oh no, I need to get ready. We need to get ready for the Moab, bro. I forgot the Moab existed. I forgot, bro. Not XP. Shut up. Wait, what do we call this guy again? Kasef. Yeah, right, Kasef. I don't know. I like using Infernal Ring, chat. Why did I pick that? Almost. I got 202 chat. 202. I need to stop saying chat, bro. Oh shoot. Ah, phew, I forgot we had, I forgot we had Spike Factory, bro. I freaking forgot. I heard, ooh, okay. I heard, Ninja Kiwi's adding an orange balloon, I think. I think. I don't fully know. 2 more rounds, bro, 2 more rounds. Oh, more glaives. We need more glaives. I'm selling this. I don't care, guys. I don't care. Oh, shoot my bum bum. Ah! Oh, we got crack. Yes! Yes! Dude! I was gonna say, dude, Omen Spike thingy saved us. I was like, nope, not anymore. Please. No! Dude! Yes! Yes! Finally! Finally, dude. Finally! There. You just get 2-2-0. Now we have a 0-2-2. He's gonna strip out he's gonna strip camo from balloons. The DDT is gonna be harder, bro. Like we're cooked. Need to get ready for it. Yo, chat, half cash is hard. And there. Oh, are we good? Are we good, chat? Okay, we're good, chat. We're good. Yeah. Okay. Okay, is this the first one? We placed this in round 6? What was this one? Round 6. Which one was the first one we placed? I forgot. That was a dart monkey. I remember now. Binini Plution. Moa! Moa! Oh wait, that was so easy. Yo, that was so easy, chat. We need Mula. Oh no, Mula. Okay. We need Mula, guys. We need Mula. We need to upgrade, bro, to make our Ring of Fire. I got 320. Oh no. 2! Are you serious, my brother? Of you. If we didn't get that crash out. Wait, can bro see camo now? Okay. My sister is talking to me, guys. We need this. Yes, there was so many ceramics. Oh. You put that there. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay, good. Alright, we got Flash Bomb and more Glaive. Like, they can take that Moab so easily. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why we're taking down the Moab so easily, bruh. Bruh. Oh shoot, my Batman. Okay. Oh, luckily you have this. Or something. BFB! Oh shoot, my bum. Oh! Yeah! Yo, the tree saved us! Bro, the tree literally saved us. Like, yo, W tree. We got deadly spikes now. Plus they're perma now. Should've gotten white hot spikes or something. I don't know. Ah! Reverse Moab! Oh, phew. Sheesh, guys! Dude, it's so easy now. There. You don't even have a tier 5 yet. Oh my gosh, that's so many Moabs! Oh, the tree again, bro. Tree. The tree. It's like a battle. I'm so close to getting the Archmage or something. What should I do? Monkey sense. Dude, imagine if I put up a magic monkey toy right here, and then I turn them into wall of fire. It's gonna turn into a wall. It turned into, I don't even know what to call it. Oh, shoot my booty bum bum. Oh, ease. That was superb ease, bro. That was superb easy. Night. There's 4 more XP. And I can delete this. No, I was kidding. Okay. Oh, we're in round 6-7. 6-7. 6-7. 6-7. 6-7. My gosh. Oh, okay, we got it now. Magus Perfectus. We need 1 million HP, bruh. What, bruh? What do you mean about that, bruh? Oh, BPF. The BBB. Thank you for tickling us all. What we're doing? What do I need? Right. Okay guys, I'm back. I don't know why I paused. Yo, we're cooking! Yo, my chat, we're cooking! Money! Yo, get me so slow. Also, chat, we're handling this so easily. Now, no more camo coming in, bro. BFB. Ik heb Ik ben te veel. Right there, chat. Right there. Actually, right there. Okay, we need another one. We need another 024. Oh, Mula. Necromancer unpopped army. We need Mula. Guys, we need Mula. It's raining tacos. Out of the sky. Bro. Yeah, leveled up, chat. Finally. Now they shall be cooked into pieces. We're just instant killing them. Oh, the normal balloon. 2 more rounds, yes, 2 more rounds, 2 more rounds, 2 more rounds, 2 more rounds. Ciao, we don't need this anymore. There's too many spikes. Now what do I need to upload? Nothing. Okay, with this chat. When it's last round, we're getting ready. On that. Dude, how? I think we're ready, Shower. I think we're ready. The Zomamza. Yo, that was so easy! Yo, it's already getting scratches! Ease! Oh, Nani! Oh, Nani! Happy! Yeah! We won, guys! Quick join! Skipping that. Okay. What did I do? I didn't even get these banners. I didn't even get wins. Okay. What do I do now? Play. Oh, we got a new match. Wait, what's this? Cheap starter. The first monkey or hero you place each game is now 25% cheap. That's good. We're gonna play Unpoppable. I'm trying to black border Unpoppable will test your balloon popping skills to the max. It's not free fare. Rules and difficulty will apply to later rounds. Good luck. Okay. I'm trying to black border this map. I forgot what it was called. What is this? Okay, bro. I like it how it turns into blue, into purple. And this thingy, where it talks about what it does, just turns into purple. Monkey hype boost. Let's turn it up to 11. What's ours twice as fast as for 15 seconds. Okay, we'll continue. What's this? Is this to sometimes things just move to use time stop to really halt all action so you can focus on emerging your monkey. So slow. Chat. Ah! Okay guys, we're doing this next video.